Hello and welcome back. I am so excited to talk to you about this next topic. Today we are going to talk about fast starts. Love this program. It's a program that I was able to take part in when I first joined Senegence. So I want to tell you guys a little bit about how it made a difference in my business and how I feel like it could help your business as well. So what is a fast start? A fast start is the best way to help you grow your business even more and get even better value for the products that you're ordering. So the fast start means that at day 30, 60, and 90, you can earn products that are completely free as a bonus to you for building your business in those first 90 days. I'm gonna put the graphic up on the screen so that you guys can see a little bit more about what I'm talking about. Okay, so as you see on the screen, this is the Fast Start program for new distributors. You can get your business off on a profitable path in your first 90 days. Build your business and earn valuable product sets for personal use or for you to demo on your customers. You have the opportunity to receive over $1,200 in free product. How awesome is that? So in your first 30 days, if you place 1,000 PV or more in orders, you are going to receive completely free to you the Senegence Basic Skincare Collection, which includes a 3-in-1 cleanser, a daytime moisturizer, and an evening moisturizer. You get to choose. You're also going to get a body care collection, which includes body wash, hand cream, body scrub, body lotion, and a perfume. This is valued at over $350, and it could be yours for completely free just by reaching that first goal of hitting 1,000 PV in your first month. Okay, let's move on to the 60-day fast start. In the next 30 days, 60 total, or sooner, place another 1,000 PV, so a total of 2,000 PV, and you're going to receive an anti-aging collection. These are some of our most popular products, including Climate Control, Serum C, Nangai Oil, Polishing Exfoliator, Collagen Night Pack, our Detoxifying and Moisturizing Mask, and another perfume. These are products that are gonna sell really well for you, so it would be awesome for you to receive those products for free so that you can start using those products and sharing them with your customers. That set is valued at over $400. In 90 days, if you reach a cumulative PV of over 3,000 PV, you are going to receive the Senegence Solution Product Collection. That's going to include the Facial Resurfacer, one of my personal favorites, Lash Extend, Lip Volumizer, Spot On, Anti-Wrinkle, Dark Circle, Nail Extend, Eye Illuminator, and the last perfume scent. This is valued at over $450. So in total, you have the opportunity to earn over $1,200 in free product. Get your business off on the right foot and you're gonna be rewarded greatly. The Fast Start program is a great program to participate in because it's not only gonna help you set some goals to get those first sales, it's also gonna help you build your inventory or your demo kit. So a few things to know about the Fast Start program. The total is cumulative. So say you reach 2,000 PV in your first 30 days, you can qualify for both your 30 and 60-day fast start, and you can get it right away. You don't have to wait till the 60 or 90-day mark. You can sign up, order that 1,000 PV kit that I talked about in the video before, and earn the product. So, just to reiterate, you can earn these products in as fast as you want, but you do only have 90 days. So you wanna be sure to hit the 1,000 PV mark by every 30, 60, and 90 days because it will expire after that. You can hustle really hard and get these products faster than those days. It just doesn't extend past them. So it is cumulative. If you place 3,000 PV in your first month, you'd get all 3 of those collections sent to your house. I mean, it is the perfect way to get all the products because the thing about this business is you want to be trying the products, you want to use them for yourself, and you want to be able to know what the results are going to be so that you can properly tell your customers, your friends, your family what the product is and how you use it. It is always better received from someone that they know. So if you've tried all these products, they're going to love to hear about your testimony and why you love them. Now go out there and work for those sales so that you can earn over $1,200 in free product.